So about 5 summers ago, I bought my very first motorcycle. It was a CBR 250R. I rode that on the street for eight months. Then I upgraded to a CBR, a 600 CBR. It's very cool. I was very surprised when I saw it. Lots of elevation changes, off-camber turns, very technical. It has everything. Very cool track.
You're very forgiving. The speeds aren't as great. You're very low to the ground, so when you crash, it's no big deal. You dust yourself off and get back out there.
Definitely a little bit more control. Figuring out how to tip in sooner. Also carrying corner speed, not braking as much, just kind of gliding in through the corner. Definitely handling the mini bike is a lot easier. It's way less intensive on the body, and I enjoy that because I can go out there and have a lot of fun, and it's just not as intensive. I don't get as tired as fast, and I don't hurt as much.
The big bikes, you get on it, they ride themselves. I mean, the little bit of input you give, as long as you're smooth and steady, it's cool. On the little bikes, you really have to be smooth and steady and hone that in. I would definitely recommend it. I wish I started on a mini bike.